Hi there, it's Saturday the 18th of October 2014. This is Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk, and I'm just going to run you through my positions essentially in alphabetical order, starting with AK Steel. I'm long AK Steel. This week there was a lot of movement of the share price, but not much real change in the share price by the end of the week. Big move down. It ended the week up slightly from the end of last week. Amara Mining didn't change much this week, but I'm long Amara, so nothing really to report there. CBS, the media company with which I'm short, they moved up a little bit this week, but I'm still happy to be short CBS. Centamin, again another miner, went down a little bit this week. In fact, crossed their MA50, which is always a bit worrying, but I still think overall it looks like it's going up. No real change in the share price, to be honest. City of London, this moved massively down, tripped off my my stop loss, which I had thankfully moved to break even somewhere around here, I think, and came right back up again. So will CLIG move back up again in the next few weeks? I don't know, but I'm out of the trade, unfortunately, because I thought this was going to be really good. Nice down curve, nice up curve, but a big move like that, very difficult to trade when you get that sort of swing in a market if you've got stop losses in place, which I had. So that was the end of my CLIG speculation. Evraz, the steel maker, went up this week quite a bit actually. That was great. So keep going, guys. ExxonMobil, massive change or variability in the share price through the week. It went up at one stage, it went down at one stage a lot, came back up. The candle here is a very interesting shape of candle, known as a doji, and the bottom part of it being much longer than the top part suggests that there's been quite a lot of support down here. So at some stage during the week, the price of Exxon came right down, but support kicked in and pushed the price back up again, and so ended the week pretty much where it started. And so people who like to base their buying and selling on candles would look at this as an indicator of things starting to move up for Exxon. I hope they're right, because I'm long Exxon, and I hope that things will go well. Interestingly enough, on the front of Money Week this week, which is a financial magazine I read each week and certainly recommend that you guys would read, the front cover talks about the falling price of oil, and it's been falling over the past few months, but overall oil's been trading in a range, and maybe this is the bottom for Exxon, and things will start to go up. I hope so. Fresnillo, a miner, they went up this week. They'd gone up the week before, which is excellent. I'm long Fresnillo. Looks like they're a bit range bound at the moment, but hopefully things are going to come good. GKN, the car parts manufacturer, had quite a good week actually. Bounced up from a low here. Good week for them, but a bad week for me because I'm short GKN, so I want them to go down actually. Sorry guys, but that's what I want to happen. Uranium, no real change there, so again maybe that's a sign of good things to come for uranium. Granger, I'm short Granger, but again the share price didn't do much. Well, it did a lot, but it didn't end up having changed very much. Infinity Pharmaceuticals, which I'm long, went up very slightly, so keep going, bit more will be good. International Tower Hill Mines. Now, this is one of those stocks that I have a sort of slightly pathological interest in. I just love the curve of this price, and I see this as having loads of potential. It's a gold miner. Gold's done quite well in the past week or two, so maybe things are going to turn around for this. I hope so, because I'm exposed to that. Kazakhmys, another miner, better week this week. Hopefully it'll cross the MA50 in the next week, and give me a nice warm feeling in my heart. That'll be great. LinkedIn, I think this dropped down through the MA50 and triggered my stop, so that's the end of my LinkedIn trade. I lost a little bit on that trade, so that's a shame. C'est la vie. Lloyds Banking, I'm short Lloyds, if you remember. No, not much change really with Lloyds. Lots of movement, but not much change. Newmont Mining, again movement but no change. Petrobras, so the Brazilian oil company, down a bit this week. Quite a lot of volatility, but sort of no real direction. Range Resources, not much change there. You know, that's just been a nightmare for me. So this is I'm long Range Resources, but you know, they haven't done much, so that's a bit of a pest. Rightmove, I'm short Rightmove. I see the property market as, you know, going south, but this week the Rightmove price went up a little bit. Teucrium corn, this I'm long, and as a trend trader, I've no reason to be long Teucrium corn, because this is not trending upwards by any means. If you look at the graph, you can see that it's really been going down, and I've been trying to sort of catch the bottom, because I think once it starts to go up, it'll go off like a rocket. Well, you know, that's what I'm saying. I hope it does, because I'm long it, but you know, it's done well this week, and it did well the week before, and maybe 3 weeks ago was the very bottom, and we're going to see Teucrium corn turn into the investment of the century. So we'll see. I'm short TR European Growth Trust, and thankfully this week that moved down a bit more. So jolly good for me, bad for them. TR Property. I'm short TR Property, again one of those doji bars which makes me a little bit nervous now, because that would suggest that the TR Property share price might take off again. I had a very long trade which closed out a week ago, and I then have now opened to go short, but you know, maybe that was premature. We'll see. So watch this space. Turquoise Hill Resources, another gold miner, down this week, which is a shame, down quite a bit actually. USO, so United States Oil Fund, so this very much depends on the price of oil. I'm long this. You know, is this a doji? Well, it's not really a doji, is it? So it's got quite a bit of body on it. It has gone down, went down a lot, came back up again. You know, maybe this is a low. I mean, you know, it is kind of roughly, there seems to be some support around the $31 mark, and here it is at 31.25, so maybe it'll go up from here. I hope so. Victoria Oil and Gas went down a little bit this week. I'm long Victoria Oil and Gas. I'd like that to go up nicely, really, please go up. Weight Watchers, yeah, they went up a bit this week, so good job, boys. So I'm long Weight Watchers, and I'd like them to do well. Wincanton, very good week for Wincanton. I'm long Wincanton, and they moved up as well. So keep on trucking, and those are my trades. So you know, a mixed bag. So you know, we'll see how it goes. That's trend trading. I just have to follow the trends. I mean, you know, what I think doesn't really matter. You know, the market will decide. Okay, have a great weekend. I'll catch up with you next week. Bye for now.